What's good, YouTube? It's your boy HB3 in the building, and today I'm coming to y'all with this hair update. It's been about 5 or 6 weeks, roughly, I guess, but definitely want to make sure I keep y'all posted, keep y'all updated with my journey, so stay tuned. Alright, so of course this is going to be my update. I'm roughly around about 15-16 weeks worth of hair since scalping, and basically this journey's been great. I've been loving it. I haven't cut this wolf off yet. I haven't even got a haircut in about a week, so you're going to see my hair pretty much looking a hot mess, but trust me, people, trust me, I'm gonna get it together. Monday I'm actually getting my first haircut. My first haircut after this wolf. It's been a long wolf, but I need the haircut. I need to work on some things, work on my connections. I got most of the pattern set in there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this update, shall we?
Chuki beat.
Alright, man, so of course that was pretty much my update. I'm happy y'all was able to see this. I'm glad y'all on this journey too, man, because it's been kind of long so far, and I feel really good about going into the winter, going in the fall, going into winter, because I can do these heavy wolves. I ain't gotta worry about the humidity, I ain't gotta worry about the sun, I ain't gotta worry about it getting so hot, I ain't gotta worry about all this stuff, man. I can just wolf and make sure my pattern continuously gets better and better. A lot of people have been telling me that my crown, my beehive, is going to be 10 times better than what I had before when I had my old 360s. So I'm really excited about that, you know, happening, because if I can pull that off, then oh yeah, I'm gonna be a problem. But nonetheless, man, hey, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like, comment, share. If you got any information, got anybody that needs help with their waves, man, I'm always here to help. No matter what, you can comment on my channel. You can hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram is going to be right here in the corner. It's on the bottom right here. Definitely hit me up there, Throne King 3. And of course on Facebook, you can hit me up on Facebook too, because I'm always on Facebook. Basically, that's going to be King Bledsoe. So it is your boy HB 3. I'm out of here.
Chuki beat.